This case study is from the pair of linear equations. A school was organizing a grand cultural event for which they have to hire chairs and table. They have to take it in rent, and they plan to spend 30,000 rupees for renting the chairs and tables. And the rent of each chair is 50 rupees and the rent of each table is 200 rupees. That is given to us. And this question is asking, if the school rents X chairs and Y tables, write down the pair of linear equations representing the given information. And first one is, you see, we will write one chair for rent purpose, it is 50 rupees. And for table it is 200 rupees. Suppose X is the given that number of chairs taken for rent, and Y is the number of tables. And according to question, X plus Y is equal to 300. This is one equation. And another equation is 50x plus 200y is equal to they plan to spend 30,000 rupees. This is the second equation. Now we have to solve this linear equation. Suppose we try over here for elimination. Now you see, elimination method you will use. Equation 1, you multiply equation 1 with 200. Then we will get 200x plus 200y is equal to 60,000. Similarly, equation 2, you will multiply by 1, then we will get 50x plus 200y is equal to 30,000. Now subtract. If you will subtract, this will be minus. Now we will get 150x is equal to 30,000. Or x we will get it as 30,000 divided by 150, that is equal to 200. This is the number of chairs taken for rent. So number of tables taken for rent will be equal to 300 minus 200, that is equal to 100. Actually the first bit is we have to form the linear equations, and for second bit we will solve it. This is for the part A. Now part B, second I, part A is this one, and now for second I, part B, it is given that 27,000 they plan to spend for these 300 items. So we can write x plus y is equal to 300. This is the equation 1. And 50x plus 200y, now they plan to spend 27,000. This is equation 2. Now equation 1, if we multiply it with 200, we will get 200x plus 200y is equal to 60,000. Now equation 2, if we multiply with 1, we will get 50x plus 200y is equal to 27,000. Or subtracting this, you subtract, this will be negative. So we will get 150x will be equal to 33,000, or x will be equal to 33,000 divided by 150, that is equal to 220 number of chairs. So number of tables y will be equal to 300 minus 220, that is equal to 80. This was the bit B. Now third is, what is the maximum number of tables that can be rented if 30,000 if no chairs are rented? No chairs are rented and they plan to spend 30,000 rupees. This is simple equation. They want to spend 30,000 rupees to one table is rented for one table rent is equal to rupees 200. So in 30,000 we will get number of tables will be equal to 30,000 divided by 200, that is equal to 150 if no chairs are taken in rent, hence answer will be equal to 150.